So include miracle powder into this to get a very good result. Like now, the what they have here, they said original Tondex Bella Immediate Clear Plus is a purifying skin lotion derived from natural aloe vera that makes you look brighter. It gives you a rapid result when applied. So hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Estreme Beauty Therapy. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. Then for our returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys have been so amazing. Thanks for always checking up on us. So today guys, I want to share with you a little tip on how to get her glowing face, pimples free, spots free, and even if they occur, what to just do to just eradicate them within a very short period of time. I always let people know that having a good skin doesn't happen overnight. There are some things you need to do, there are some routine you need to follow to maintain that look you actually want. Some people ask, I know it's not easy, but just once in a while, just get like your DIY stuff you need to do, because it's not all about products. Sometimes you need to just have your own DIY. You need to, you know, cleanse, mask, exfoliate. Just do some little tip that will actually help you, that will even actually help that product you are using for you to see good results. So now there is this thing I do once in a week or twice in a week, but mostly once in a week. I use this cleanser. I don't know if you guys know about this. This is Tondex Bell Immediate Clear Plus. So this cleanser is so nice. It's good for pimples. This is how it looks. So if you are getting yours and the color doesn't look this dark, just know that you've gotten a fake one. This cleanser, it's the main ingredient in this is aloe vera extract, and we all know what aloe vera does, ranging from stretch marks, to scar, dark spots, you know. So being the main ingredients in this cleanser, make it a good choice for you to choose when you are trying to get rid of pigmentation, pimples, dark spots, blemishes. So, and this cleanser is so nice. It's not harsh. It's not like normal cleanser that when you are using you feel that itching. So this is very different. It's so calm, and aside that, it doesn't dry out skin. It's even helped to moisturize your skin while it's still helping you to treat what you want to treat. But I use this like that. But some people, if you want to premix this, if you're having a serious acne breakout, what you just have to mix into this is just a pinch of salicylic acid, then a pinch of miracle powder. Since aloe vera gel is the main ingredient in this, so include miracle powder into this to get a very good result. Like now, the what they have here, they said original Tondex Bella Immediate Clear Plus is a purifying skin lotion derived from natural aloe vera that makes you look brighter. It gives you a rapid result when applied. So, you know, it's good. If it purifies your skin, make you look clear while removing pimples, black spots, and other skin disinfection. So this is what it does. I don't substitute this for anything, because it works on its own. It's not like every other cleanser that is so harsh. For me to use a cleanser like this without diluting, just know that it's down to earth. Because my skin is so sensitive, I react to anything that is so harsh. So I always dilute my cleanser, but for this I don't, because it's so mild. So let me just get a miracle powder to put into this, and a salicylic acid cleanser. What you just have to add, just two things I recommend. This is salicylic acid, and you know salicylic acid is for pimples. it helps to dry out the pimples. And here we have miracle powder. And what we know miracle powder for, miracle powder works for burn, it works for black spots, pimples, the black knuckles, brown patches, stretch marks, aftershells. So this is what it does. So since we are trying to achieve a pimples free face, so that's why we just need to put this. So let's just put a pinch, because what I normally put into it is just a pinch. Just a pinch. Pinch of miracle powder. That is if you are having serious acne. But if you know your face is good, you don't need this. Okay, for the miracle powder, just a little. Then you take the cover, you cover it very well, you shake it for it to incorporate. Then after that, just take your cotton wool, let's still shake it very well. So when you are through, just take your cotton wool, so this is how it looks. So if you get this Tondex and when you put in your cotton wool it doesn't look like this, just know that it's not the original one. So you wipe your face with it. This cleanser moisturizes the face a lot. It's not harsh. It's not a cleanser that when you use you feel so tight, you feel so dry on your face. This one is just okay. Just wipe your face. You feel your face so moisturizing. Whatever you do to your face, please do it to your neck, because the neck is, your neck is also your face, so you won't have different color. Just your neck and your face has to be of the same complexion. You clean this very well. If you notice my face now, it looks so it looks oily, but that's how it is, so you don't have to be worried about it. It's good. So this is the first thing I do. Then I also have a mask that I used to mask my face. After this, we are going to mix the mask. So now I'm fine with it. You can even use it on your knuckles. If you're having dark knuckles, you can use it because it will help with fading dark knuckles and also moisturize the knuckles so your knuckles don't go dry. By the time your knuckles don't go dry, you're not going to have dark knuckles. If you notice now, my face is looking so shiny. So that's how it is. That's how you just have to know the original one of this Tondex lotion. So use it on your knuckles as well. Just cleanse your knuckles with it. So guys, we are still going to do masks like I told you. And this is what we'll be using for the masks. We have here a sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is known to help get rid of skin issues like blemishes, dark spots, scars. So it's very good. Sandalwood is an healer. when it comes to all these issues I just mentioned, not only this and more, then we are using this sandalwood powder. We are using here a green clay. Green clay helps to absorb excess oil on the skin. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. Then we have here a moringa powder. Now, moringa powder is a lifesaver when it comes to wrinkles, when it comes to blemishes as well. It's so good because it's helped to firm down the skin, so it's going to prevent sign of aging, wrinkles and all that. So this is what we are using. We are using these 3 powders, and this is what we are going to mix with. We're going to mix with evaporated milk. You can still use your rose water. You can use your any hydrosol you have that you know you don't react to. So this is what we are going to be using to do this mask. So let's just get doing the mask. So now these are mixing bowl. We're just gonna take little bits of our clay. So this is the clay, then a little bit of sandalwood powder, then we just add a little moringa powder. So we are gonna mix with this. This will give that instant glow. It will help to fade off if you have any dark spots on your skin. It will really do justice to dark spots. It will really help your face glow. If you look at the way my face is glowing, I don't have makeup on. So even that, the first thing we're talking about, the cleanser. The cleanser is so good. So even only that, you can still achieve what you want to. Make sure you stir it very well, stir it very well to get a perfect consistency. If you notice that your mixture is too maybe light, mine is too light, so I just decided to add a little sandalwood to make it. So we are done mixing this. The next one we want to do now, I'm going to apply it on my face. While I decided to add a little bit of sandalwood is because it was too light. I'm rushing somewhere, so I just want to get this dry immediately. Then I wash it off. I need to take off my earrings. Ouch, just got my hand stained. If you have so much oil on your face, while making this, you can include bentonite clay and what's this called? Oat powder. Oat powder really helps to absorb excess oil on the skin. Like my face is not that oily anymore, because the face itself knows that he has received a lot. So I'm gonna allow this stay on my face till it get dry. Then I'll wash off. So the mask is fast drying. It's fast drying. If you notice here, but it just left here, like all these other parts, they are drying already. Yeah. So while it's still just a little while to dry off, I still want you guys to know that moringa contains vitamin C. Clearing of the skin tissue, especially the face. It helps with fine lines, it helps with wrinkles, it helps with discoloration. So brown patches, moringa is very good, not only to take it as a see, but also on your face. Moringa is so good. You can even just get a moringa and mask your face with it, with rose water, you know. So guys, if you know you love this video, you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified anytime I post a video. Thanks for your time and have a nice day till we come back with another good stuff on this channel. Have a nice day.